Imagine this: you want to start a business, but you've got no money, no contacts, and no clue where to begin. Sounds familiar? That was me too, and that's most Sri Lankan youth right now. But here's the truth: you don't need money, you need direction. Most people never start, not because they're lazy, but because they don't know where to move without capital. They spend months planning and preparing, but never doing. That's the trap. Let me introduce Kavindu from Gampaha. He started with 0 rupees, making handmade key tags from scrap plastic. No brand, no funding. He used free TikTok, Instagram Reels, and word of mouth. Now, he runs a full eco-brand with over 150 monthly orders. No investors, no loans, just smart strategy. The biggest mistake: thinking you need a logo or website first. Wrong. What you really need is a clear offer, a free online platform, a simple content loop. That's it. Start creating, start selling, then polish and grow. That's exactly why we created this platform, to guide you, step by step, from zero to real results. We'll break down business ideas, marketing tools, content planning, and startup strategy, all in your language, with real Sri Lankan examples. So if you're serious about changing your life, don't scroll past this. This isn't a motivational reel, it's a roadmap. Follow us, share this with one friend who's stuck. Let's build something powerful. From zero. Together. Asterisk.